Hello YouTube, back with another video. This is, I think, the 10,000 or 11,000 BTU air conditioner. It hasn't froze over any yet. I don't know why. It's blowing a good amount of heat in the inside. It's just, it hasn't froze over yet. And it's been running all morning. The other one, on the other hand, the 8,000 BTU AC, it's getting nice on the coils. Maybe it's because it's an 8,000, I don't know. Different coil or something, bigger coil maybe. Because this one is getting frozen. It's got ice all over the coils, little ice beads on the bottom. So I don't know. Because the big one running like a charm with no ice on it, so it's got to get colder for this one to get ice on the coils. So I'll come back to you when this one gets some ice on the coils. It's going to get some on tonight, I know that. It's going to get down to 30 degrees. Alright, that's it folks. More to come later. Out.